Hey, what's up guys, I'm back with another unboxing video, and today I finally have the Samsung Galaxy A17. And guys, and this is a new budget phone that we have from Samsung, and this phone is costing around only 55,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. So in the Pakistan market we have 8 GB of RAM with 256 GB of internal storage variant, and the color I have is a light blue color, and still this phone also is powered by same MediaTek Helio G99 SoC. Also on this side it says we have a 50 megapixel OIS main camera. We also have a 6 years of major Android updates support. Also we have a slim design. So on the back we have absolutely nothing. So now let's quickly unbox the Samsung A17 in the blue color. Now let's open this box like this. I already removed the seal. So here is the Samsung Galaxy A17 in the blue color. Now let's start the phone from this box like this. As you can see, here is the blue color. So now let's out the phone from this wrapping, and here is the Samsung A17 looks like in the light blue color. I gotta say, on the back looks like we have a matte finish, but on the back I can see the fingerprints very easily. So on the back we have triple cameras. We have a 50 megapixel OIS main camera, then we have 5 megapixel ultra wide, lastly we have a 2 megapixel depth sensor with LED flash. And the camera layout, I would say it is slightly more changed as compared to the Samsung A16 from last year. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. No screen protector on the front, so Samsung logo now it is here. So now let's see what else we get other than the phone. So right there, here is our mini box envelope. So here is our simulation tool, and inside there as usual we have our quick start guide. Also we have USB type C to USB type C cable, and no charger in the box still with the Samsung A17. And this phone maximum support 25 watts, so no upgrade in that area. Also we have 5000 mAh battery size, and this phone feels, I would say, really good in the hand. So on the front we have a good looking 6.7 inch the Full HD plus Super AMOLED display with 90 Hz refresh rate. Also we have a U-shaped notch on the top. Overall in the bottom chain it is also really decent, but very disappointing to see we still have a U-shaped notch on the top. Also in the bezels it is really big as compared to the other smartphones that is already launched in this price range. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. On the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, as well as microphone. So on the left hand side we have our SIM tray, and this phone also has the IP54 water and splash resistance. So no IP68, IP54 it is here. So you can see we have hybrid SIM slot. So very disappointing to see we cannot use all the things at the same time. So hybrid SIM slot, rubber gasket also available on the top, noise cancellation microphone. So volume up and volume down rocker with a power on button, it is on the right hand side. And also inside the power button we also have our fingerprint scanner. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. So guys, here is the first boot of the Samsung Galaxy A17, and guys, this is the 4G variant of the Samsung A17. So in Pakistan we don't have the 5G variant. So here is the notification panel looks like. So let's go to the settings, and now let's see the Android version. So about phone, software information. So this phone is running on Android 15, no Android 16 on the Samsung A17. Also we have One UI version 7, not One UI 8, which is the latest in the international market right now. Also inside the battery, once again we have 5000 mAh battery size, no upgrade in that area. So we have a fingerprint scanner on the side, as you can see, and the fingerprint scanner, I would say it is works absolutely fast. Let's see the internal storage. So we have a 256 GB of internal storage out of only we have a 233 GB it is available for you guys. So let's go to the display area, and let me show the refresh rate option. So you can see we have 90 Hz refresh rate on the Samsung A17. I wish that we have 120 Hz with the punch hole. Very disappointing to see Samsung does not makes any upgrades in the display department. So here are the pre-installed apps. So let's look at the camera. This one has a triple cameras. We have a 50 megapixel OIS main camera with the 5 megapixel ultra wide. Also we have a 2 megapixel which is a depth sensor. On the front we have a 13 megapixel. So here is the A17 looks like. Here is the ultra wide, and here is a portrait mode, which is not available with the 2x, available on other mid-range phones. So here is the video mode. So the back camera maximum shoot only full HD at 30 fps, so no 4K support or not a 1440p support. And ultra wide video recording feature also available, but we don't have any ultra steady mode like we have on high-end Samsung phones, but still this phone has a OIS. So in the mode section, the pro mode also available, and the night mode also available, and the macro mode also available. And the third camera, it is a macro one, not a depth sensor, and the slow motion also available. So now look at the front facing camera. So this phone has a 13 megapixel, and the selfie camera, I would say it is really decent, I would say, but I wish that we have a higher megapixel selfie camera. Here's the portrait mode, and here is the video mode. So the front facing camera also shoot only full HD at 30 fps. Also inside the video I see a lot of noise right now. Again, now let's talk about the battery life, and this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 25 watt super fast charging. So this phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. And overall, I have to say, if you're looking for a Samsung phone in this price range, yes, this is the best option that we have right now. But this is not the best option that we have in this price range, but this is the best option that we have only from Samsung. And thanks so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Galaxy A17. And do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.